We're live, we're live. Good morning. We're live this morning. Um, Central. We're live, we're live. We are live, we are live, we're live. It's a great day. It's a great day. It's a great day already. It's the end of the trading week for the forex traders. It's the end of the trading week for the forex traders. It's a great day. It's a great day. It's a great week. Thank God for this week. Good morning, Mr. Idris. Good morning. Your name and where you are joining us from this morning. Your name and where you are joining us from this morning. Invite your friends that needs to be here right now. Tell them ProFx is live, right? Why should we go straight into what we have for today? Hey, goodness is here. Our first timer. Hey, Lord, from next year you start seeing from Dubai, from Canada, from Australia, from America. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Goodness. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay. So as our custom is, we usually play an affirmation for the next 2 3 minutes, right? Before we start, we usually have an affirmation, a trading affirmation, okay? Because we believe that our words, right? Our words are what frame our world, right? It's our belief that our words frames our world, right? So you say what you want to see. You say what you want to see. If you want to see your trading becoming successful, you will say it. My trading is successful. If you want to be a consistently profitable trader, you will say it that I am a consistent profitable trader. Even if right now you are not yet consistent, even if right now you are not yet successful, right? By affirming that I am consistently profitable, what happens is you start, this is a natural life principle, right? When you say words, things start coming together. The resources, the opportunities, the relationships, the information you will need to become successful starts coming your way. It's like a magnetic force, right? So we don't joke with affirmations. We believe in them and they work. Okay? It's a natural principle of life. So in just 2 minutes, I'm going to play our formation. And I want you to take note for those that are just coming and newbies, right? I will send the information to the group again. So you pay attention and you tell me the one that stood out for you. Okay? 1 minute or some seconds. Okay, I got you, I got you, I got you. Okay. Confirm if you can hear the voice. Confirm. Can you hear the voice? Okay. Good. I am a profitable and successful trader. I fully believe in my trading strategy and I follow it to the letter. I allow myself to take trading profits whenever I can. I am a smart and highly disciplined trader. That's why I'm so profitable. Each and every day, I practice the mindset of a profitable trader.
always use stop losses to protect my money. I am relaxed and calm when making trades, and that's why I am so successful and profitable as a trader. I stay calm and relaxed before, during, and after placing my trades. I have an abundance mindset and I act accordingly, and therefore am a profitable trader. I observe and listen to the markets and let them tell me when to enter and exit trades. I am always learning, growing, and expanding my skills as a trader. I always make sure to take care of my mind, my body, and spirit so that I can be a successful and profitable trader. I am excited each and every trading day because it's another opportunity to make profit. Any failures or mistakes that I make when trading are just opportunities to learn, grow, and become more profitable in the end. I am committed to the long game of trading, and that's why I am so successful and profitable as a trader. Trading profitably is easy for me to do.
Trading profitably is easy for me to do. I love that part. I love that part. So let's stop there. I love that part. Trading. So I now added because there's a difference between being profitable and being consistently profitable. So I love adding the is it verb now be adverb there be my English people. When you're adding consistently to profitable, is it adverb or my English people? When you're adding what do they call it now? Help me. So I love adding the word consistent because our motto as an institute is consistent profitability. That's our motto as Wiser Pips Trading Institute, right? Our motto is consistent profitability. Consistent profitability. So we are not just going to be profitable, right? But it's going to be a consistent one, week in, week out, month in, month out, year in, year out. We are to end the week, the month, and the year in green, regardless of the losses we have in the trading days, right? With your proper risk management and the risk to reward ratio, you are expected to end the week, the month, and the year in the green. So everybody writes on the chat box, trading consistently profitably is easy for me. Trading consistently profitably is easy for me. Trading consistently profitably. Trading consistently profitably is easy for me. And as you say it, so you will see it. It is a standard. As you say it, so you will see it. It is a standard. Trading consistently profitably is what is easy. It might be hard for other traders. It might be difficult for other traders, but not for my wiser traders. No, 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 not for my wiser traders. Not for my wiser traders. Yeah. So now, like I always say, whilst we are saying the affirmations, you are now also learning the skill set. So we are not just saying it for saying sake. We also put in the work. We also learn the skill set. We also applying the effort. So it now enhances the results. All right. Okay. So I'm going straight to the deal of today. So today I'm going to break down Euro USD and gold. All right, Euro USD and gold. By the way, those that have been making money this week, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you have been printing money from Euro USD this week, because Euro USD has just been giving us sell. I know you people, Mr. Frank. I don't know if Milk is traded this week. Those that made the money this week from Euro USD, oh yeah, expose yourself. I know this guy is there. Chidex is there too. Euro USD. I told us that it's going to sell down to the demand zone. Yeah, that's another affirmation. Each day I practice the mindset of a profitable trader. There is a mindset of a profitable trader, right? Mindset, habit set, skill set, and tool set. Okay. Yeah, I'm a smart and highly disciplined trader. That's why I'm so profitable. Oh yeah, so everybody, oh yeah, start writing in your affirmations. Okay, oh yeah, everybody, start giving, writing what you got. Writing what a word you got from the affirmation before we go into the chat. I love this. I love this. I love this. Oh yeah, everybody. Writing the affirmation you got from before we go into the chat. What affirmation stood out for you? I have so many of them here. For me, failure and mistakes are opportunities to learn. Failures and mistakes. All right. So when I have a loss, yeah. When I have a loss, when I make mistakes, I see them as opportunity to learn, right? To become better. I don't start saying, I've lost to no. You don't cry over a spilled milk. The milk don't fall down, the milk don't pour. Why you dey cry? Your cry will bring the milk back to the cup. You can't bring the milk back to the cup now. So it is your response to the failures and the mistakes that matters, not the mistakes itself. That's so good. That's so good. It is your response to, okay, now you have failed. Now you have made mistakes. So what next? What is your response? So it is your response to your mistakes and your failures that matters, which is what? They are your learning opportunities. All right? They are your learning opportunities. You don't cry over a spilled milk. It's of no use. All right, who's giving me more information? I need to go into the chat to. Right, today is Friday, so Friday basically on Friday you should have made your money for the week, because yeah, I know how to take profits and effective stop losses. Emoji. Yeah, yeah. So your stop loss protects your money. All right. Your stop loss protects you. You have to be on the defensive side. So your stop loss is your defensive weapon, right? Yeah, you don't you are not offensive with stop loss. No, you are offensive with your risk to reward, your take profits, not with your stop loss. Don't try to be offensive with stop loss. You go cry. You want to play the offense with stop loss? I know. Defend your money with your stop loss. All right. Then offend the market with your take profits, but let it be a realistic take profits. Right. So maximize the take profits, minimize the losses. That's good. Minimize your loss, maximize your profits. That's the dream. Minimize your loss, maximize your profits. That's the defensive and offensive trading. Minimizing your losses and maximizing your profits. All right. Who else is giving us the affirmation? I love this one. I observe and listen to the markets. I observe and listen to the market. Like I always say, don't trade what you feel or what you think. No, trade what you see. What is the market telling you? What are you observing from the market structure? You are trading what you can see. Market get voice, so market has a voice. You've got to see. I'm going to send us for the mentorship students. I will send us a trading book, right? That tells us I will send it to us. Let me not give the expo here. Okay, one of the, we call it the litmus test. One of them is being a listener in the trading book. Being a listener, the market speaks literally. The market tells a story. So if personally you're the kind that don't listen when someone is talking, you want to always talk back, it's affecting your trading. This is how trading plays. Trading reflects your personality. If you are a kind of person that you don't listen, you always want to come into a communicate a conversation. Before you talk A, you have talked Y and Z, you have talked BCY. If you come to the chart too, before the market give you uptrend, you're gonna say. So listening skill, trading will shape you. Trading, no worry. So market has a voice. The market tells a story, right? So you got to observe and listen to the market story. One important one again is um, being calm and relaxed when trading. That's very important, right? Before, during, and after trade, you are calm and you're relaxed. I was telling one of my students that if you are not calm and relaxed, you no go see road clearly. You cannot trade. Trading is a calm mind game. Trading is a calm. Today is a psychology section, psychology masterclass. Trading is a calm mind game. If you are not calm in your mind, if you are not relaxed, you no go see road. I don't know. You will not see road. It is a calm mind. So if you are not in the right state of mind, just leave the market. If your girlfriend is fighting with you or your boyfriend broke up with you or you have an issue, just leave the market. You have to be in a calm and relaxed state of mind. What again is there? Yeah, I am growing and expanding my skill. Yeah, we always grow, growing and expanding your trading skill. Every day we learn something from the market. Like I told us that one of the trading habits you'll be doing every day is reviewing the market. So when you close for the trading day, right? Maybe 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Go back to your chart and review your day. Two things you are doing. You are looking for patterns that happened that day and insights. Patterns and so you want to ask yourself, so what pattern did the market give me? The market form today? What pattern? I've told you already. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback from the Asian to the London to the New York. How did the market form? What is the pattern from Asia to London to New York? What was the accumulation phase, manipulation phase, distribution phase, and pullback phase? That's the pattern. Then insights. What can I learn from the market's behavior today? That's how you grow and improve. You will see things that I will not tell you. That's the way to become better than your mentor. You can become better than me. Yeah, you put in the work. If you study price action every day, you would become good. It is there before your face. Do you understand? So the way to grow and improve is always study patterns and insights every single day. Once the market close like this, pam, it just takes you 15 minutes or 30 minutes, right, to do a review of how the market played out. Then how did you now trade? Did you follow your rules? Did you obey your rules and blah blah blah? So that's a way to improve and expand your skill, right? So anymore. Defend your money with stop loss, offend the market with your take profits. Merkeys, oh. Yeah, that's true. You offend the market with your take profits. And do you know that if you make $1 million today, market no go move. Hope you're aware. Not trading at all is a great defensive and attack at the same time. Yes. Not trading at all is a great because you are protecting your money. Yeah. Do you understand? Not trading at all. So if you make $1 billion, $1 billion, not even million, 1 billion today, right? And a broker that is very, very liquid, right? Because some brokers you can't pull your $1 million profit. You understand? So as you scale up as traders, I'll be giving us brokers that are liquid. Because some brokers you can't withdraw $1 million, they don't go give you, they no get money to give you. You understand? But as you scale up, you yourself will become a broker self. So I'm saying if you make $1 billion today, market no go shake because forex market is $7 trillion every single day. Liquid in the forex market is $7 trillion. Do you understand? So there's no. Let's go to the chat. I'm done. I'm done. Can you see my screen? Let's go to the chat. So let's start with Euro USD. Okay. Let's start with Euro USD. Okay. Let's start with Euro USD. Or should we do gold first? Gold or Euro USD? Which one should we do first? Gold or Euro USD? I think let's do Euro USD is simpler. Yeah, Euro USD is simpler. Let's do Euro USD. Okay, great. Let's do Euro USD. So I believe you can also see my screen. And please, if you are a newbie, you will still just follow. Okay, just follow. If you are a newbie, just follow. So look at what I've done here. From you can see that I said this. I've been saying this from the beginning of the week that we are going to trade into the refined demand. Yes or yes? If you are aware or you can agree with me when I said that we are taking out this liquidity and trading into the refined demand on daily time frame. What's the word now? Testify with me. If you all on the call when I said we are going to trade down into this refined demand, taking out this liquidity. If you were on the call when I mentioned that, see you, well, what's the word now? See you testify or identify. I said we're going to sell down to this, that this is going to just be a liquidity. We are taking out this guy, so we are selling down to this refined demand. I said that on the call. If you were there, okay, testify. Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. So now we have fulfilled the order. So for the newbies in the house, I'll just do 30 seconds of what we do every single day. All right. So we have the model called direction, location, and confirmation. Just follow what I'm about to say. Okay. Direction, this is what we work with. This is the trading rule of engagement. Direction, location, and confirmation. Okay. Direction is simply what is the market doing? Direction is answering the question what. Direction is answering the question what is the market doing? And there are only two trends in the market. It's either going up or coming down. There are only two trends in the market. So under direction, we are answering the question what. Okay? And under what, we are either what going up or coming down. So we call those kind of trend uptrend, and what downtrend. Yeah, downtrend. So for direction, we are either going up or coming down. If you are going up, the trend is up. English. If you are coming down, the trend is down. Right? The concept of this is market structure. The concept of this going up, coming down in trading is what is called market structure. Just follow me. Okay? Just follow me. The concept of what we are doing, where market is going up or coming down, is market structure. So we want to first know the direction of the market, uptrend or downtrend. Once we have gotten direction, the next engagement rule is location. So where we have now known what the market is doing, right? Next question is, where are we going to be buying from or selling from? We know that we are going up. So where are we going to be buying from to continue the up? If you are coming down, where will you sell from to continue the down? And the concept under locations, there are plenty. That's why you see different strategies in the forex market. This one say I do SMC, I do support, I do demand, I do supply, order block. It's because of the trading concept that are all different, but they are saying the same thing: location. We call them location, we call them key levels, we call them area of value, we call them point of interest. They are all English. It is what? Location. Telling us where to buy or sell from. And I'll just list some of them. So we have demand and supply. We have demand and supply as a location. All right. We have order block as a location. Order block. We have fair value gap. Okay. We have Fibonacci retracements. We have bank level. They plenty. So the answer, the thing is just pick two or three, if not even one. Okay. You can just pick two. You can say, okay, I want to do demand and order block. You can say I want to stick with Fibonacci and bank level. Just pick two. You don't need to know everything. Do you understand? And the most interesting one is the demand and supply, because we say that demand and supply is what is called the first principle, is what is called the causation of price. What makes the price move technically is demand and supply. What makes the price move technically is demand. So when price gets to a demand zone, that means buyers are now being surplus, we buy. When price gets to a supply zone, it means we have sellers that are surplus, we sell. So demand and supply is one of the, well, I call it the important concept you should understand as a technical trader. So demand and supply. That's why I said to us here that, and there's a way to know what a demand is and a supply is. So in the mentorship, we explain that. We'll not do that in the class. I'm just giving you the concept under location. Then under confirmation, we are now answering the question, when. So when are we going to pull the trigger? When are we going to enter the trade to execute the buy? It's not in direction we will enter. It's not in location we will enter. It's in confirmation. So because price got to your demand zone, like here now, doesn't mean you should start buying. No. Because price got to your demand zone doesn't mean you should start buying. You gotta wait for a confirmation. And there are two concepts you use for confirmation. We have the change of trend and what? Candlestick. Candlestick pattern. These are the confirmation, right, that we use when price gets to your location. So first, direction, location, and confirmation. I want the newbies to talk. If you understand what I just said now, as a newbie, let me see. As a newbie, if you understand why, you might not understand it like to apply, but if what I said makes sense, like you follow, let me know. Direction, location, confirmation is what you are doing. You want to know what the market is doing. You want to know where you are going to buy yourself from, and you want to know when you're going to pull the trigger. So your job is now to learn the concept in each of the engagements. So I want to learn market structure and master it. I want to learn demand and supply and master it. I want to learn how to know a change of trend and a candlestick pattern and master it. That's what you're doing every single day. Am I making sense? Am I communicating? If I'm communicating, I need to fire emoji. I need the responses if I'm communicating. If I'm communicating, I need your fire emojis. That's my love language. Fire. When I see fire, yeah. When I see fire, I know I'm communicating. Direction, location, confirmation. Direction, location, confirmation. Let it be ringing in your brain. Direction, location, confirmation. Direction, location, confirmation. So let's go straight to, yeah. So let's go straight to our charts. So I won't go into details. So let me just go straight. I won't go into, so now we are in our location of demand on daily time frame. Okay, good. Now on 4 hours, what do we observe on 4 hours? We are still what? In the demand zone. Okay, we have seated. We are seated in the demand zone, right? So what we now do is we now observe a change of trend if it will happen on 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes. So, but let's first see how this week went from Monday. Let's see how this week went from Monday, because what we are doing here, we are not playing. No. And I told us accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. Right? I told us for Monday that Monday has given us what? Accumulation and manipulation. It means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is distributing. It doesn't change. So two concepts for my newbies, two concepts that must always ring in your medulla oblongata: DLC and AMDP. Don't ever forget these two concepts. Ever. DLC and AMDP. This is regardless of your trading strategy. This is how the market works. This trading concept. DLC is, I just mentioned DLC, direction, location, confirmation, right? That's for DLC. AMDP is accumulation, manipulation, um, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. I want to assure us that, in fact, it's going to be a standard now. What I want for us, once you are done with your practice and your demo account, everybody here should be making nothing less than $1,000 every single month. Everybody, every trader has passed through my mentorship should be making nothing less than $1,000 every single month. Of course, we'll be utilizing ProFx, right? Every single one of us, with what we are learning here, should be able to be banking, cashing out. I mean, pay out to, the withdrawal at all for a month. You are withdrawing 1K dollars. So if you are doing less than 1K dollars in a month, check yourself. I'm not saying you should beat yourself, but I want to put this standard. It's a benchmark now. Once you are confident that you can now trade, get a proper account. I will show us how to get this figure maybe in the next live on Monday, how we can scale up to make this. But this is the goal for us now: $1,000 minimum payout every month from prop firm, and I'll show us how to do it. Okay, because these things are just so there. We can't just be wasting this money throughout this week. Now this is money. This is money, guys. This is money. Throughout this week, EOS is sell. And from Tuesday, right? From Tuesday, we had gotten the distribution phase from Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday sell, Thursday sell. 3 days. Friday is doing his own. We are already on demand zone. So I can say we can just rest for Friday, but we are already on demand zone. Okay, we can have a pullback here. But let's go back to Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, this is Tuesday. So I want to apply the AMDP now. I want to apply the AMDP for us on the chart. I'm applying AMDP for us on the chart now. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? Friday. Today's Friday now, right? Good. So applying the AMDP on the chart, this works for every pair, every market, every instrument. So come to 15 minutes. I've already said 15 minutes is a time frame that is medium to give you the best view. 15 minutes is perfect. All right. So what I will do is on Monday, I will mark the highest and the lowest price, the lowest point price got to on Monday. So this is Monday. Everything that happened there, if you are a newbie, just follow me. If you are a newbie, just follow me. You won't get lost. This everything that happened there on Monday. This is Monday's price action. This is Tuesday's price action. This is Wednesday price action. This is Thursday price action. Okay. So for Monday, this is the highest point and this is the lowest point for Monday. So I will just put an arrow to just I want to just box the price to say, okay, these are the highest points. I'll extend into Tuesday where price got to. Right. Then the lowest point also. The lowest point I will also extend it. So that means everything inside here is accumulation for Monday. So this is it. Everything inside here is Monday accumulation. When Tuesday happened, what happened? It took out this a little bit, right? That's the manipulation, right? Then it retraced, taking out Asian eye for Tuesday. That's when the sale started. So the sale started from here. The sale started from there. Then we came into Wednesday, took out Asian eye again, and what sold. We came into Thursday, took out Asian eye again, and sold. So even inside every single day, we still add accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. So now, Monday accumulated, entering into Tuesday, we had the manipulation slightly, then Tuesday distributed for a sell, Wednesday sold, Thursday sold. So likely Friday might be what? A pullback. All right. So that means this is our lower high that we expect to be taken out as a change of trend if we want to see price reverse to the upside. Okay, for price to reverse, there must be a change of trend, right? If my guy here is not taken out, we are still selling. No, so until I see that price now takes out this high, then we are ready to start buying. Wait for a retracement and continue going up. Do we see that now? So this Euro USD, this is what Euro USD. Tuesday sell, Wednesday sell, Thursday sell. So let's go into Tuesday. How did we get the sell? Let's now go into Tuesday. What do we say we need to see for a sell day? Asian high, Asian low, right? For my newbie traders, don't worry. In the mentorship, I'll break down all these concepts for those that are new. Okay, I'll break down all these concepts for those that are new. Just take notes and observe what we are doing. Okay, for us to see a sell, usually we expect Asian high to be taken out into supplies and sell, and that's what happened on Tuesday. Asian high was taken into the supply, and we had a sell. We are just studying the patterns so we can be prepared for when they happen the next time. Okay, so this was Tuesday's market. Clean, clean one. It even gave us a M pattern shape. Look at it. Those are trade chart patterns. Then he put back. All right. This Tuesday, very clear. Wednesday, same. Asian high, Asian low. This happened during New York. So if you observe, London was the manipulation, right? London was what? The manipulation. So Asian accumulated, London manipulated, New York distributed. Okay. Same year too, we took out Asian high into what? Supply. See supply again at the left. Like I said, any concept you don't understand, just write it down in your notes. I'm going to treat them with the mentorship. There's no need to worry. Tuesday, same. Asian high, supply, sell. Clean. Wednesday, same. Asian high, supply, sell. When you see something happen consistently, you don't need to. It's a pattern. You have seen this happen more than once. So wisdom should tell you that you should observe this thing well because this thing works. Asian eye supply sell. Asian eye demand buy. That's what we are doing, guys. That is what we are doing. I don't know. Is there any other English I can speak again? Is there any other, is there any other English again I can speak? And I want to make this should have EU as their number one because EU will not stress you. EUSD will not stress you. Okay, EUSD will not stress you. So you can do other pairs, but I want to advise on point. Yes, I want to advise that EUSD should be for every beginner. I want it to be our trademark that as wiser peeps we understand EU in and out. Right? I want EU to be our trademark in wiser peeps. We are milking EU like water. Do you understand? We are milking EU like water. It was EU that made my my student 10th. I will continue saying this until somebody bank benchmark. Somebody here made 10K dollars on one trade on Euro USD. So if you think that EU is too slow, no, $10,000 one trade Euro USD. Of course, the lot size was also that was an offensive trade. The guy they vex offensive trade, 6 lots, 3 positions. That's an offensive trade on Euro USD. So it is not on gold, it's not on US 30, Euro USD. So you can make a fortune on Euro USD. All right, you can make a fortune on Euro USD. Why I love what I do, my philosophy is that I create whenever I see a record, every record is made to be broken. Notice what I'm saying. Every record that is being set is set so that it can be broken. And again, every broken record is broken so that it can be broken. That's my philosophy of life. So when I see a set record, I like, okay, oh, this for me is a message that this needs to be broken. When I see a guy or a girl that has broken a record, what is telling me is that this broken record is set for you to break it because there's always room. Yes, because there's always room for breaking records. I'm not saying you should go and blow your account. So you are doing it with proper risk management. You are doing it with calculated risk, not with uncalculated risk. Okay. So everybody, EUSD, we are good with EUSD, right? So one way to master EU is by understanding how Asian session works. I'm going to send that video now to the chat on how to implement Asian session range to your trading strategy. I'm going to resend that to the group now. Once you understand Asian section range, how it works, you can easily trade USD without stress. So today, what are we expecting for USD? All right. If you want to see a buy day for the pullback, because it's either buying or selling, right? Market will either buy or sell. There's nothing it wants to do. It will either buy or it will either sell. Shebi? Now, if it wants to buy, what do we need to see? Hey, see Obe. This is today's signal. I'm giving you a signal for today now. If you want to see a buy for today on Euro USD, what do we need to see, my guys? We have mapped our Asian high, Asian low. If today wants to buy, what do we need to see, my guys? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Okay, it's beyond that. I don't get Mr. Frank. When you say it's beyond that, what do you mean, sir? So I want you to tell me if you expect a buy day on Euro USD using the Asian section range, what do we expect to see? Because we need to know, we need to be able to explain it with our mind without coming to the charts. I want to see this and this and this. When I come to the charts, that is what I want to see. Mr. Albert, your narration is not narrating. Price shoots beyond Asian eye, pulls back and they buy. You try. But that's not what I want to hear. There's a narration you need to give for your. You try. For us to buy, when I mean buy, I mean when the day is going to buy. Yeah, that you can make more than, yeah. I understand. Okay, good. Yes, yeah. Of course, you can make more than that. Each time you take into Melkis, check your narration, before I flog you. Check your narration, check your narration well. Pull back into the discount zone. Okay, I'm waiting. For a buy day, for a buy day on Euro USD today, what do we want to see? I'm expecting, Mr. Gabriel, I'm expecting your response to break the previous high and change of candle patterns. Nope, no. There is an exact narration. Merkis was already close to it. He just missed one line. I should have my old students here now. Why you guys dolling me this morning? Mr. Gabriel, who's on this call again at his old students? Abraham, um, okay, we have more here. Yeah, where's my comment section now? I don't go press spoil. My comment section, where do you want to? Uh, Hold on, let me stop showing. Let me to get back. Okay, back. All right, I've seen it. Yeah. Okay, let me see. The Asian eye would be taken out and pull back into demand zone, either below Asian range or inside it, and then by so I get ready to give us. Okay, let me just say it. Asian low will be taken into demand and buy. That's it. Asian low will be taken into demand and buy. I just said that. I just said for supply, for sell. Asian eye will is simple. That's just it. For a sell, Asian eye will be taken into supply, into supply and sell. That's the narration. Abi now, for a buy, Asian low will be taken into demand as liquidity. Asian low will be taken as liquidity into demand. So we call it the sell, we call it sell side liquidity. So that's for a buy. For a sell, Asian eye will be taken out into supply as a buy side liquidity. Look at the chart again. Let me share my screen. From Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, what did we see? Asian eye was taken into supply and we sold. Wednesday, after Asian section, Asian eye was taken out into supply and we sold. Thursday, after Asian section, Asian eye was taken out into supply and we sold. For a buy, Asian low will be taken into demand and we buy. I know. I stopped sharing my screen. I know. I'm just narrating. I want you to first understand it with your come to the chat. So this is a chart here. Look at it. I just showed us now for a sell. All right. Let me do my pattern here. All this is Asian. Then we took out Asian eye into supply and what we sold. Right. This again on Wednesday, Asian high and Asian low. Right. So what London did, London just helped us manipulate. London bought to manipulate into the supply. So Asian took out, so sorry, London took out the Asian high into supply and we sold. Thursday also, Asian high, Asian low, right? What did London did? London took out what? Asian high again, supply, and we sold. Is that clear? Now for a buy, what do we expect? Opposites. London will likely take out into demand and buy. So Asian low will be taken out into demand zones. So what do? We start drawing out demand zones from 5 minutes because there's no clear demand zone of 15 minutes here. They have all been mitigated, right? So we'll just go to 5 minutes and draw out your demand zones. You would see, even if it's not going to still be clear. So either inside your demand, inside your Asian range or below. But most likely, Asian lows usually takes out as liquidity. So let's just identify demand zones below. Drop base rally, right? Drop base rally is demand. Drop base rally. You can see drop base rally here. This is the refined drop base rally. Okay, that's the first one we are seeing. So I think we are fine for Euro USD. Why are we going to gold? Fine for Euro USD, right? If you want to see a buy, we want to see Asian low taken into demand and what and buy. That's what we need to see. Is that clear now? Is Euro USD clear for today? Please, it has to be clear. Oh. I want to screenshot this and send to. We add here is from Monday, we had accumulation, manipulation, distribution back. So I want to label it. I want to label it. So Monday was what? Accumulation. Monday was accumulation. Sorry. Accumulation. Tuesday was manipulation and distribution. Manipulation and, all right. Wednesday, distribution. Thursday, distribution. Grab this and send to, let me take off this. So just screen grab this and send to the group. Together, guys. Supply said supply zone is always on top and demand zone is always below. Yes. Supply is on top, demand is below. So we sell high and we buy low. That's the concept. We sell high and we buy low. 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 So let's go into gold. I'm very passionate about gold, right? Now, gold has done me strong thing. Gold has done me a strong thing. It has really proven itself to me, right? But I pass on. So I want us to look at this beautiful gold bank level. Gold bank level. So write this out in the chat box on your notes. Bank levels, right? Bank levels on gold. That's our edge on gold, most especially on gold. Outside market structure, which is very perfect. Okay, bank level is what gives us, because gold now, no man's island. We don't know. On the only thing we can use to have an edge is the fib extension levels, right? To know the next price where gold will get to. On my status, I said this morning that gold's next target is what, 2,722 per ounce. That's no. Why do I say so? Because for my extension fib level, that's where gold is going to. So gold has broken the 0% of Fibonacci range, right? Our next target is what? The 27 minus 0%. The next target is what? 61.8. So if gold is still going to buy, our next target is what? These two extension levels, right? So bank level gives us a further confirmation. So price moves every 1,000 pips. That's what I did here. I won't explain this much here in the mentorship, right? So I just want to give us an idea. So from September 11, okay, from September 11 to October 11, gold has moved over 2,000 pips just in barely a month and so. Gold has moved over 2,000 pips, right? So this is the current state of gold. So when it comes to direction, DLC, direction, last week we did higher low, higher high, break of structure, right? Remember, and we said we are currently in our equilibrium, and gold respected the equilibrium and broke the high. So gold didn't come back to the discount zone, because we're expecting gold to come back to this 71%, but it didn't. It has the right to break from 50%. It cannot buy if it's not from either 50% or equilibrium. So the location that gold respected that broke this higher high into this 1,000 bank level was because it came to the 50% of this range. It came to the 50% of this range. So let me go back again to my Fibonacci. Like I always say, the only location you can buy or sell from is equilibrium and discount or premium. The only two locations you can buy from generally is either from equilibrium for an uptrend, equilibrium or discounts. For a downtrend, equilibrium or premium. Are we together? So gold respected the equilibrium and now we have pushed up. What do we do? Wait for a pullback and continue buying. Gold is still bullish. Gold is still what? Gold is still bullish. So I want to screenshot this direction for us so we can always be paying attention to it. Okay. Let me take this guy here. I want us to be always be somewhere here. 277222 blah blah. Yeah. So I want to screen grab this direction for us. Then we go into the location. So gold's direction is still what? Bullish. Right? So you can now choose to take the counter trend on lower time frame or choose to wait for the pullback. Right? So let's go back to what we have. So let's now come to a lower time frame. Since I've known the direction, we have broken the what higher high. Now this is now our break of structure. Recent break of structure. Right? Recent break of structure. Recent break of structure. Recent break of structure. Yeah. So where are our locations? From break of structure, we have the flip zone. That's the first demand from the break of structure. I'm just setting my locations for us to see. That's the first one. Then below, we now have other demand zones, rally base rally, rally base rally. Then we have other demand zones. When we come to 1 hour or lower time frame, you see that there's also a demand zone here. Great. So we have no business buying until price gets to these demand zones. We have no business buying until price gets to these demand zones. We can be selling if we see an opportunity of 15 minutes time frame, but we have no business buying until price gets to what those locations. Are we together now? We have no business buying until price gets to what those locations. So we can actually look for a sell opportunity for day traders, right? I repeat, we have no business buying until price gets to what these locations. We have no business buying until price gets to what these locations. So these are my demand zones. Okay, these are my demand zones. These are my demand zones. So for me to say a sell, okay, I would expect to see Asian eye taken out as liquidity, and there's no supply for gold. There's no supply for gold because that's the highest point as we. So you have to just be very, very flexible and logical. When I say a sell, that's why gold is risky to trade. If you want to trade gold, just be careful. All right, be careful. You can just stick with Euro USD and be good. Why are the numbers reducing? So I think we are good. We are good for today. So let's not so let me take questions whilst we call it a wrap. Let me take questions. Let me take questions. Okay. Let me take questions. So this is gold. I'm expecting a sell down to demand. So what do I need to say? I need to wait for confirmations, which could be my change of trend. So I've seen a change of trend already happening on gold, right? I've seen a change of trend already. These are change of trend. So I just need to wait for what pull back into all these supplies and sell. Okay. But if your mind not carry gold, just leave them. But those are set up for gold for London section, right? When price gets this guy, you see a confirmation. If it gets there, fine, you sell. Okay, if it doesn't get there, it wants to use the 50% because now We have gotten the Fibonacci. We have the range now, right? This is the range, high and low. Okay, price is not yet at 50%. Price is not yet at 50%. But gold is crazy. Gold is crazy. So those that want to trade gold, this is the setup. Price either gets to equilibrium or what? Premium. Price either gets to equilibrium or supply zone and we sell. Price either gets to equilibrium or supply zone and we sell. That's a more safer place to sell. All right. So we wait, guys. We wait because now we already have a change of trend. Very clear. We have a change of trend. So now we have a new high, new low. This is a change of trend. Okay. Change of trend. High, low. High and what? Low. High and low. High and low. So we wait for what? Lower high sell to give us what? A lower low. We are selling down to what? The demand zone. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. No close of previous day candle. Okay, yeah. So let's do. Yeah, thank you. So let's do close of previous day candle. Let's go there. Let's do close of previous day candle for EUSD. Let's start with EUSD. That reminds. So let's do close of previous day candle. So let me delete this. So how the previous day candle close for Thursday? Previous day candle close bearish, right? Let's take off this so you can see road where. How the previous day candle close? We close bearish. So what do we do? Mark what? Low and what? Close. Is that clear? Mark low and what? Close for previous day, right? Then we come into the new day. We come into 15 minutes and adjust to New York. Adjust to New York and the end of the day. So you can see it. Same. So we are rushing down into our demand zones now. Okay. So what we want to see? You want to see a buy day. When price gets inside there, you want to now see what? A bullish structure forming. Once we see that forming, we are buying. Straight up. Yeah. So we are set for the day. Euro USD, we are set. Gold, we are set. Yes or yes? We are set for the day. Yes, good. Thank you. All right. So if you are not in the mentorship group, signify. Like if you are here and you're not in the mentorship yet, if you are here and you're not in the mentorship for this next batch, if you are here and you're not in the mentorship for this next batch, signify. I want to know now. If you are in the mentorship, say I am in. If you are not in the mentorship, say I am not in. I want to give discount to crazy discounts. So better if you are in the mentorship, say I am in. If you are not in the mentorship, say I am not in. That's the end. That's the end. I need to prepare for the event. It's an event happening today at Oriental Hotel. I want to say this. One of my secrets of trading success is attending trading conferences. All right, that's one of the fastest way to also learn. So, okay, I'm in. Good. One of my secrets to my success is attending trading conference. Always look out for trading conferences, trading seminars, trading summit to attend every single month. I'll be sharing conferences that I'm going to so that you can also join. That's how you also learn. Okay, attend conferences beyond mentorship, reading trading books, listening to trading interviews. Attending conferences will shape your mind. That's if you want to be a trader or if you're not just playing, right? So there's a conference happening today on the island at a rental hotel, and I'll be there. So attend conferences, guys. Okay, Goodness is in, Mr. Albert is in. If you are in the mentorship, I am in. If you are not in, I'm not in. I am not in the mentorship. So Samuel, no, now I think you already. We have talked about it now. So once you make your payments, I'll add you up. If you are not in, it means you've not made your payments. So once you make the payment, I'll add you up. I miss class, so go and watch the replay. Go and watch the replay. We just broke down Euro USD and gold, so nothing much. If you are not in the mentorship, I am not in. If you are in the mentorship, I am in. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. While we are doing that, let's check our silver baby. Let's check what silver is doing or what silver did. Let's check what silver did over the. Hey, see silver baby. Silver got to our demand zone. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, he used the fair value gap. He didn't get to the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Silver got to our location. Can you see? Um, Silver got to the location that was yesterday. This is Silver. Oh. Silver is still buying. Silver got to the location because the day has been declared bullish already. All right. So Silver got to the location yesterday. So instead of using this demand zone, it used this fair value gap, which also changed the mentorship. So what it did was for this particular Thursday, it used the liquidity for yeah, the liquidity for Thursday. Are we together? This is Thursday, right? I told you about liquidity for previous section. So what did London Asian do? Asian London provided this demand zone, right? For the day. And that's what it used actually. It just took out liquidity a bit. Can you see? So instead of using the one that we created this last week Tuesday, it used what was created on that same Thursday and did a little bit of liquidity. So in 5 minutes, you'll have seen your confirmation. I bet you. This is a 5 minutes confirmation. Buy straight up. You can see silver. So what we do here is applies to every instrument. If you do not see your setup on a particular day, don't worry. It will still come there. Price cannot move without it coming to a location. That's what I want you guys to know. Price cannot move without coming to its location. So if it did not come to the location that particular day, don't worry, because we are expecting it to come there on Wednesday, right? But it didn't come there, it went up. But Thursday it came there and it continued buying. Remember I said we are going up, right? So what do we do? Look for further location again. So today now, today is Friday, Abby. We are still buying, guys. We are still buying. Sorry, this is Friday, not this is should be Friday. Good. We are still buying. So what do? We look out for the demand zone that was created. This is a demand zone that is being created here, and that's our next location. As simple as that. Okay. We expect Asian low to be taken out. That's a standard for us to buy. If this guy does not take it out, we are not interested. We expect Asian low, sorry, to be taken out. If not, we are not interested. Do you understand? That's the closest demand we have, and we continue buying to this top. So silver delivered. Yes, fair value gap. Yes, but it used the demand zone for the previous day. It didn't use the demand zone for last week, but it used the demand zone for the previous day. So we also have to be observant of every single section that created volume. Now I mentioned it. So if you are going to be trading New York, the question is what volume did Asian and London create? Look at it here. This particular day, the volume here was demand zone, right? Drop base value, very clear. That was the volume that New York used. So New York used the volume that Asian created to buy. New York used the volume that Asian created to buy. On 5 minutes, we have given you a confirmation for candlestick. You can see buy, stop loss, and take it up. Is it clear? So every section, the section before will give you the volume. If you don't see volume in the section before, you cannot go to previous day, previous week. That's why I said today also, the volume we are looking at for first is the one that this New York section created. That's the volume we are looking at for first. If it takes out this volume, then the next volume, there's nothing here again. So you have to now go to what? Previous days, which can now be this particular one here. So we can now say, okay, this demand now will now be respected because it has not been used yet. All right. That demand has not been used yet. So most likely that demand will be used. Then you can now come to the one below. Do you see now? So we first start with the recent volume, then we go to the previous volumes. Is it clear? So everything you don't understand here will be taught in the mentorship. There's no need to worry. So who else is not in the mentorship? Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, of course, there's a lot you will not understand. Yeah, yeah. Who else is on it? Because this mentorship, once we start like this, during the class, you just be seeing us during 7 a.m. You just be seeing us repeating what we said in the mentorship, and if you're not there, you'll miss out. So let let the money not stop you from joining. No. Hey, yeah, yesterday was my mom's birthday, so and there was no light. There was no light at all where I went to, so I could not even do anything. I could not even do anything. My phone was down till I could not trade. I could not do anything. So I missed the trade yesterday. Yeah, I missed the trade yesterday, so I could not trade. But I'm not bothered. The market is always there to give us opportunities. Yeah, I feel so you didn't know. Someone that you pay. Oh. You pay fine. So we are done. We are done already. We are just taking housekeeping. So first go pay. Yeah. Mentorship. Oh, mentorship. Everybody on this call must be in this batch's mentorship. So I want to know if you are not in the mentorship, signify. So I need to know whether it is because you have not paid yet, or you cannot afford it, or what. Everybody on this call must be in the mentorship for this batch. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. And also, I want you to invite others, those that you would know that wants to learn. And my customers are those that have blown accounts, those that have given up. Bring them here. Let's lay hands on them. My God, let's lay hands and deliver them. So I need customers. I need those that have blown accounts. I need those that have given up on forex. Just tell them to come. They should attend in 7 o'clock. If they are not willing to commit to the mentorship yet, they should attend in 7 o'clock. They should attend the free. They should come for the workshop on Wednesdays and let them see what's happening here. I need students, pastor, pray. Yes, so the hand needs to be laid on them. Hand needs to be laid on them. So invite people, please. And also, Mr. Emmanuel, one of us here, is currently doing copy trading and is currently making money. Mr. Emmanuel, if you are here, please signify. He currently funded $100, I think, last week, and currently he has made about $12 on top of his $100. Copy trading, he's not doing anything. He has made already. That's already that's already 10% now. Yeah, what is $12 of $100 is how many percent? Yeah, that's 10%. Yes. So in just I think he just started last week or so. So he has 12%. Yes. So copy trading is learning. He cannot trade. He's still learning, but he funded $100 and he plugged into a copy trader. So Mr. Muiwa, head of sales, recommend the best master trader for you. Right. So all you guys do is just fund with $100 minimum and allow it to be copying. So he has made $12 on top and he's still running while he's still learning. So please take advantage of the copy trading. Right? As you are learning, you need to be making money. How do you make money? Copy trading and partnership. All right. So take advantage of copy trading. Then I'm also going to, if you have not registered with CWG, also please, that's important too. I don't joke with CWG. They have really helped me. They pay for the space I use on Wednesdays. Like they pay for it. They pay for it. And I've not made $1 for them. I've not made one naira for them. Although, okay, yes, so Mr. Emmanuel has funded $100, so I think he's the only one that has funded. So I want you guys to fund with CWG, right? And let's patronize. So I'm going to send the link to register for the broker on the group. Everybody must register. Okay, everybody must register and fund with CWG. That's the broker we are using to trade. So I'm going to forward the link again to us. Everybody must register on CWG. Right? That's the way we give back to them. I'm looking for the link again to Melkis and I send it to you. Okay. Melkis, have you already started for CWG? I sent you the link. Yeah. Register and talk to me or talk to Mr. Muyiwa. Mr. Muyiwa is on the group, okay? And tell him to assign to you a fund a master trader to copy your trades and make money passively. Okay, questions as I run. I need to run now. I need to run. Let me take questions. I said I was going to explain ProFm. Oh, Divine is not here. I don't know if Divine is here. I said I was going to explain how ProFm works, but I don't think I can do that today. Ah, do we still have time to? Is Divine here? Maybe I'll move it on Monday. Should I explain how ProFm works? Someone asked me to explain how ProFm works. Do I have the time to do that, or we should postpone it to another day, to Monday? Because I also need to go too. I need to go. I need to go and prepare for the event. Okay, I'll do that on Monday. Okay, I'll do that on Monday. First thing on Monday, or after the live market on Monday, I'll explain preference. All right. So, pardon me, I couldn't do that today. So, question, please. I need to go. Question. If there are no questions, um, no question, so I can just end the stream. No question. Type no question. No question. Type no question. If there are no questions, please type no question so we can go. Any question for me? No questions. Okay, good. All right.